What's up everybody, this is Scott with 512 Garage and I'm back with another video. Today is part 2 of the C7 makeover thanks to our friends at Extreme Online Store. Now, in part 1 we installed that ZR1 ZTK wing on the back of the C7, and in case you didn't see that video, I'm going to link it down in the description. You're not going to want to miss that one. Now, we carry the full line of EOS parts and accessories on 512garage.com, so hop on over to the site and check it out. Now, we already pulled off the front splitter from my C7 because, well, we're going to be replacing it with the ZR1 front splitter in today's video. All this happening right here, right now in the 512 Garage.
All right, guys, so we have the old EOS lip over here next to the new one. As you can see, they both reuse stock hardware locations. The new one is much larger here at these front key points, and it's way bigger out here in the corners. We're at 10.5 inches out here and 6.5 here, so it's a whole 4 inches deeper in the corners. And we've got the side winglets to go on the end too to add to the look. Let's get this on the car. It's gonna look great.
All right, guys, as you can imagine, there's not much to putting on one of these front splitters. Mostly because it uses the factory hardware, just like Greg said. That's right, these 7mm bolts will get reused again to hold this splitter in place, as well as the 3M mounting tape it comes with, and it also comes with some rivets and some sheet metal screws, so you can decide how you want to anchor the splitter into place. So we've got some of the backing off of that mounting tape, and we're going to put the splitter up into place and start putting the screws in.
All right, guys, now that we have all the stock hardware in place, we're gonna send some self-tappers in.
All right, guys, now that Greg has this front splitter firmly in place, and I will say this is some good quality. I can tell you right now that the paint finish looks great. It matches the factory paint, and now it's time to do the fun job, and that's put these side winglets on. And we're gonna use the provided hardware here, and they thread in just like this. Super easy, you guys. It's a 4mm Allen key. All right, you guys, now that we've got this ZR1 front splitter in place, there's nothing left to do but to get this car down on the ground and see what it looks like. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, that does it. The EOS ZR1 front splitter is on the C7, and what do you think?
I think it looks great. It sticks out way farther than the old one. It's so much more aggressive to match the look of that rear wing. It's just the total package. It looks great.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's the greatest thing about that front splitter is that it does match that ZTK rear spoiler. So if you're going to do the spoiler, you should definitely do the splitter. And you can stop by Five12Garage.com because we have all of the EOS parts and accessories for your Corvette up on the site. We also have these shirts and these hats, so if you like them, hop over to the site and pick one up for yourself. And as always, if this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. And leave us some comments because we love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as we do.
Absolutely. See you next time, guys.
See ya.